Artificial intelligence, or AI, customizes learning paths, allowing students to learn at their own pace. It identifies strengths and weaknesses, recommending resources tailored to individual needs. Adaptive learning systems ensure students receive the support they need to succeed. AI streamlines administrative tasks like grading and attendance, freeing teachers to focus on student engagement. By automating these responsibilities, AI increases efficiency and accuracy, providing timely feedback that enhances the learning experience for students. AI fosters inclusivity by supporting students with disabilities and language barriers. Tools like speech-to-text and translation software make education accessible, allowing diverse students to participate fully in lessons and collaborate across linguistic boundaries. AI equips students with essential skills for future job markets, such as digital literacy, critical thinking, and problem-solving. As industries evolve, these skills become crucial for navigating a tech-driven world, preparing students for success. AI provides real-time feedback, helping students and teachers address learning gaps immediately. This continuous improvement ensures that strategies can be adjusted promptly, enhancing the overall educational experience. While AI offers immense potential, ethical considerations like data privacy and algorithmic bias must be addressed. Ensuring equitable and transparent AI systems is crucial for responsible integration into education.